Hello, in this session I'm going to talk about serialized items. There are two ways of using serialized items. Either the serial number has been given or entered before selling the item or during the sale. Usually vouchers could be a good example of having the serial number created up front, and technical equipment would be a usual type of item where the serial number is created or entered during the sales transaction. This particular session covers the second option, to enter serial numbers on the till. In step 1 I'm going to create a serialized item, and in step 2 I'm going to show you how it looks if you sell it on the till. Create first a new standard item and then change it to be a serialized item. Now I'm going to enter the basic information, such like a lookup code and a name. I do enter the price and the cost. Important is that you also put the quantity on hand. And now I'm going to move to the Serial tab. This tab allows you to create serial numbers, an option that I'm going to explain when we talk about vouchers. So I'm going to cancel. Later on I will show you how it looks when you have sold a serialized item to a customer account. This is going to be listed here so you can track those information. Now I'm going to the till and I'm going to sell this item. As you can see, I'm going to be asked for a serial number. If you would have serial numbers created up front, you could go for lookup and you could choose from the list. Since we do not have it, we just type in a serial number that we usually get from the back of the item that we sell. And we confirm with OK. You will get a message that the serial number hasn't been found in the list, but what you can do is now you can confirm with yes to create a new serial number. As I mentioned earlier, you could track what customer has bought what item. For that purpose I'm going to set a customer here and I'm going to finish the transaction. Now I'm going back to my Store Operations Manager and I'm going to look at the serialized item here. Now I can see in the serial tab what item I have sold with what serial number to which customer. Thanks for watching, and more about serialized items in the session about vouchers. Your PSS team.